Yeah, Megan, many people social distancing from home like me were able to watch the governor live on 16 WAPT and on his Facebook live stream. He spent about an hour answering questions from Mississippians all over the state. Governor Tate Reeves using Facebook as a platform to answer questions from citizens all over the state who are concerned with how his administration will address the COVID-19 outbreak. There are currently 250 cases of coronavirus in Mississippi and 1 death. New York, California, and Illinois are now under shelter-in-place orders issued by their governors, but Reeves says no order is planned here just yet.
You should know that no one at the State Department of Health has recommended at this time that we have a statewide shutdown or a shelter-in-place or whatever you want to call it.
Reeves says the state of New York has an infection rate of 8 in 10,000. The rate in Mississippi and several other states is much less than 1 in 10,000.
Please understand that we are doing everything in our power to listen to the experts, but we're not going to make rash decisions simply because some other states decide to do things.
He had more than 1,600 questions from citizens, including people wondering how they would feed their families if there's a statewide shutdown. Small business owners whose businesses are shuttered wanting to know if grants will be available to cover their operations. And questions about the amount of personal protection equipment for Mississippi healthcare workers battling coronavirus. He says a coordinated effort between MEMA, the Mississippi National Guard, the State Department of Health, sent those items to first responders and hospitals, and more N95 masks, surgical gowns, and gloves are coming to the state within the next week to 10 days. During his hour of Facebook, Reeves urged families heading to grocery stores to buy enough items to last the household for a week, rather than overbuying in large quantities and hoarding items. Now, Governor Reeves and his family have been self-quarantined after a trip to Spain, and now he is expected to have a first press conference in public outside the governor's mansion. That's going to happen tomorrow morning. Reporting live, Roy Johnson, 16 WA News at 10.